Hey there, welcome back to AI Bell Vega. Today, we have something super exciting for all the K-drama fans out there, and we're coding an AI K-drama recommender in Python. If you're a K-drama enthusiast like me, you know how hard it can be to find your next favorite show. Well, I've got you covered. Our AI-powered recommender is here to make your K-drama journey smoother and more enjoyable. In this project, we've used Python and some powerful libraries to create a recommender system that suggests K-dramas based on your preferences. This project uses machine learning and a user-friendly interface to help you find your next favorite K-drama. Let's dive into the code and see how it all works. We start by importing the necessary libraries. We're using PyQt5 for the GUI, Pandas for data manipulation, and scikit-learn for machine learning. We start by loading a dataset of K-dramas, complete with details like genres, tags, and cast members. Missing values are filled to ensure our data is clean and ready for processing. Next, we load the K-drama dataset from a CSV file. We use Pandas to read the data and handle any missing values by filling them with empty strings. We combine relevant features, such as genres and tags, into a single string for each K-drama. This helps us create a comprehensive profile for each drama. To measure the importance of each word in the combined features, we use the TF-IDF vectorizer. This transforms the text data into numerical values that our machine learning model can understand. TF-IDF, or Term Frequency Inverse Document Frequency, helps us understand the importance of different words within the context of the entire dataset. This step is crucial for comparing K-dramas based on their textual descriptions. Once we have these vectors, we calculate the cosine similarity between them. Cosine similarity measures how similar two vectors are, which in our case, means how closely related two K-dramas are based on their features. Use clear, descriptive names for your variables, functions, and classes. This improves code readability and helps you and others understand the code's purpose at a glance. For example, using names like consine_sim and kdrama_list clearly indicates what these variables represent. Before diving into coding, take time to fully understand the problem you're trying to solve. Break it down into smaller parts and outline the steps needed to achieve the solution. In this project, understanding how recommendations work and the role of machine learning was crucial before implementing the code. Machine learning is used to find patterns in data. For this project, we're using a technique called cosine similarity to measure how similar two K-dramas are based on their genres, tags, and other features. This requires transforming text data, like genre and tags, into a numerical form that the algorithm can work with. Understanding these basics is crucial because it helps you know what kind of data you need and how to prepare it. The get_recommendations function takes a K-drama title as input and returns a list of recommended K-dramas based on their similarity to the input title. The number of recommendations returned is specified by the recommendations_number parameter, which defaults to 10. The function first checks if the provided title exists in the index I series, which is an index of K-drama titles. This validation ensures that the function only proceeds if the title is valid and present in the database. If not, it returns a message saying the K-drama isn't found. The function selects the top recommendations_number, default is 10, K-dramas from the sorted list. The 1 recommendations_number plus 1 slice is used to skip the first item, which is the input title itself, since the similarity of a K-drama with itself is always the highest. The app design method is responsible for setting up the graphical user interface, GUI, of the AI K-drama recommender application. It defines the layout and adds widgets, like labels, text boxes, and buttons, to the window. The method creates a vertical layout, QVBox layout, which will stack the widgets, like labels, input boxes, and buttons, vertically in the window. A QLabel widget is created with the text enter a K-drama title, and added to the vertical layout. A QPushButton widget labeled Get Recommendations is created and added to the layout. The clicked.connect, self.display_recommendations, line connects the button click event to the display_recommendations method. The display_recommendations method is responsible for retrieving and displaying K-drama recommendations based on the user's input. It is triggered when the user clicks the Get Recommendations button. This line retrieves the text entered by the user in the QLineEdit widget, self.drama_box_input. The text method extracts this input as a string and stores it in the variable title_name. The .strlower method is used to ensure that the string data in the data frame is converted to lowercase. This is crucial for creating a case-insensitive comparison when dealing with text data. The .strlower method is then applied to ensure that all the text in these combined strings is in lowercase.
I'ma lose my mind, I'ma poker face, keep your eyes on me, just in case.
pleased that we managed to figure out the code, and we will proceed with incorporating more features. In addition to its powerful functionality, our kdrama recommender boasts an engaging and user-friendly interface designed with both aesthetics and usability in mind. Let's explore how the interface enhances the overall user experience. To start, we've incorporated a background GIF into the interface. This dynamic visual element not only adds a touch of modernity, but also helps create an immersive experience for the user. The GIF we've chosen features scenes from popular K-dramas, which not only sets the right mood but also aligns with the theme of our application. In designing our K-drama recommender app, we made strategic choices to enhance both the visual appeal and functionality of the user interface. To achieve this, we decided to utilize two specific components from PyQt5, QMovie and QFont. Firstly, we imported QMovie from PyQt5.qt-GUI. This component is essential for incorporating animated GIFs into our application. By using QMovie, we're able to add a dynamic background GIF that not only makes the interface more engaging, but also visually ties into the theme of our K-drama app. Additionally, we've included a section for displaying the cast of the selected K-drama. This feature allows users to see who stars in their favorite shows, further enriching their experience. Lastly, the interface features an input box for searching by actor's name, along with a button to trigger the search. This functionality allows users to find K-dramas featuring specific actors, adding another layer of personalization to their experience. The cast label, styled with a visually appealing background and clear, readable text, serves as an eye-catching header for this section. It organizes the cast information effectively, making it easy for users to identify the actors associated with their chosen drama. Underneath the cast label, the cast names are displayed in a list format. As users type in a K-drama title, the app dynamically updates this list to show the relevant cast members. Let's dive into the functionality of the search_actor_drama method, which is a crucial part of our K-drama recommender app. This method allows users to find K-dramas featuring specific actors, adding another layer of customization to their experience. When a user enters an actor's name into the search field and clicks the Search for K-dramas button, the search_actor_drama method is triggered. Next, it calls the actor's_name function, passing the actor's name as an argument. This function searches our K-drama database for any shows that feature the specified actor. Finally, the method iterates through the list of K-dramas featuring the specified actor and adds each title to the list widget. This dynamically updates the user interface to display only the relevant K-dramas. Thank you for joining me on this journey through my AI K-drama recommender system. I hope you found this showcase informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest projects.